You might want to save this application tutorial for later and check out my other videos for more great looks for hooded and green eyes. We're going to start off with a rusty color. So we're going to put rusty all over the lid. I know it looks messy until I'm done. So we're going to do that on both eyes. Now we're going to come along with this reddish color, which I love, and we're actually gonna blend from the crease up, and we're gonna capture some of the rustic color. Now we're gonna come along with this brownish color. It's like an espresso-ish kind of a color. And we're gonna build this fake eye lift. Over 40 is not so bad, but over 50, it's almost impossible to do a cat eye or a wing. So you can use eyeshadow as a great substitute. Come along with this dark eyeshadow again, and we're going to build it into the lash line. Let's take a little bit of gold. We're going to add a little bit of light to the center of the eye. And we're going to add it also right here. Now we blend. We're going to take a neutral eyeshadow and we're going to clean up underneath, and we're going to smooth it around very lightly to blend so there's no lines. I also like to take this. See how this lifts? Okay, now we're going to take our deep brown eyeliner and we're going to just do like small connect the dot application as close to the lash line as possible on top of the eyeshadow that we did. Some people like to do an underline. I don't really do an underline, but that's okay. To each their own. To make your eyes look bigger, take a lighter fleshy shade. And for a list of colors, just make sure you DM me. Take a lighter fleshy shade and you go underneath the lash line, and this is gonna give the appearance of a larger eye. You take like a yellowish kind of a color. I love this yellow. Kind of go right underneath it. Okay, I got a little bit of fallout there. Now mascara.